Hello, you're welcome to your FredExcel lessons for today. Today we are going to be looking at how to work with your Excel ribbons. Now your ribbons are located right above the worksheet. These are your ribbon tabs: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and so on. Understanding your ribbons and knowing where to find your commands makes your work easy to accomplish. Ribbons are divided into groups where common commands are saved in one space. We have the clipboard group, the font group, the alignment group, the number group, styles group, cells group, editing group. Okay, the ribbons are a vital part of the Excel interface because it houses a lot of commands for your Excel work. In the Home tab, you'll see frequently used commands such as cut, copy, if you want to delete a data or insert a data, if you would want to find, merge center, or wrap text. Okay, now our Insert tab allows you to add objects to your worksheet. If you would want to add a pivot table, if you would want to add in pictures, graphs, or symbols. Okay, now the Page Layout tab has features that helps organize the way the content of your worksheet appears. For instance, if you want to change the page orientation, if you'd want to include margins, fonts, colors, and other effects. Now, if you notice this icon, this is our Dialog Box Launcher. Okay, and it allows you to have access to more commands. So when you click on it, you're going to have even much more features to choose from. Okay. Next is our Formulas tab. Now this tab has features which controls the way Excel works with formulas. Now the Data tab has features or commands for working with lists of groups of data. Okay, for instance, if you would want to remove duplicates, if you want to convert text to columns, if you would want to sort or filter, you would have access to a variety of commands. Okay. Now the Review tab contains features that allows you to protect the worksheet, add comments, check spellings, and many more. The View tab contains features that allows you to customize the way you see your work, how you would want your worksheet to be viewed. For instance, if you would want to zoom your selection, if you would want to freeze panes, if you would want to arrange your windows, and of course there are many more features help you customize the way you would want your worksheet to be viewed. Now, if you're having challenges with your worksheet, you could go to the Help tab where you could get help or contact support, send feedbacks, and suggest a feature. Okay. Also, the Tell Me What You Want to Do tab is more like a search box where you could search for other commands that may be hidden in the ribbon. We also have what we call contextual tabs, which are hidden in the tab menu. It is only activated when dealing with objects such as tables, drafts, charts, and images. So let's try an illustration here. You say I have my data 1, 2, 3, and I would want to insert graph. Okay. Alright. And I can see that when I started working with objects such as graphs, our contextual tabs were displayed. I could change my chart styles to suit my preference. Okay, I could likewise change colors. There are a gallery of colors here for me to choose from. I could switch rows or columns, select data, change the chart type, and I could design my graph to suit my preferences. The Format tab also has a variety of ribbons. Okay, insert shapes groups, the word art group, there are shape styles groups, which has a gallery of different theme styles to choose from. Okay, you could also insert shapes and format the selection, as well as adjust the size of your graph, table, or any object you're working on. Thank you for joining in, and see you next time.